breathing into stillness. Let's begin by focusing on the breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then gently exhale through your mouth. Feel the air flowing in and out of your lungs. With each breath, you are inviting peace and calm into your body. Breathe in deeply again and exhale slowly. As you continue breathing deeply, begin to soften your body. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, release any tension from your neck, and allow your hands to rest comfortably in your lap. Let each exhale carry away any remaining tension or stress you may be holding on to. Grounding in the present moment. Now that you are feeling more relaxed, gently bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body. Feel the support of the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. You are grounded, present, and connected to the earth beneath you. Allow yourself to feel stable, centered, and balanced in this moment. Awakening your spirit. Visualization. Now, with each breath, imagine that you are drawing in energy from the world around you. Picture a warm, golden light entering your body with every inhale. This light represents vitality, joy, and love. Feel it expanding in your chest, warming your heart, and spreading throughout your body. As this light fills you, feel your spirit awakening. You are connected to the vibrant energy of the universe. Imagine this golden light traveling through every part of your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, energizing every cell. With each breath, you are becoming more aware of your inner strength, your inner light. You are waking up to your full potential, setting intentions for the day. Now let's take a moment to set your intentions for the day. What do you want to focus on? What do you want to bring into your life today? Whether it's peace, joy, or productivity, let that intention come to the surface of your mind. Say your intention to yourself silently or aloud. It could be as simple as, I choose peace today, or I will approach my tasks with joy and presence. Whatever resonates with you, let that intention fill your mind and heart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your intention taking root in your body, preparing you for the day ahead. Affirmations to awaken your spirit. Let's reinforce this positive energy with a series of affirmations. As you listen to each affirmation, repeat it either silently in your mind or out loud, allowing each word to resonate deeply within you. Repeat after me. I am open to the possibilities of today. I welcome this day with a grateful heart. I trust in my abilities and the wisdom within me. I am grounded, calm, and confident. I attract positive energy and good things into my life. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. I embrace this day with peace and joy. Let these affirmations fill your spirit, knowing that you are ready to greet the day with strength and grace. Cultivating gratitude. Now let's take a moment to cultivate gratitude. Think of 3 things you are grateful for today. These could be small things, like the warmth of your bed, the beauty of nature, or the people you love. Whatever comes to mind, hold that feeling of gratitude in your heart. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can shift your entire mindset. When we focus on what we are grateful for, we invite more positivity into our lives. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your heart fill with appreciation for the blessings around you. centering in mindfulness. For the next few minutes, we will focus on simply being present. No need to think about what's next or what's happened before. Just be here, in this moment, with your breath and your body. If thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them, and then let them pass like clouds in the sky. Return your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. You are exactly where you need to be. Allow yourself to rest in this stillness, knowing that this moment of peace is yours. Awakening the body. Now, let's gently awaken the body. Start by bringing some movement to your fingers and toes, wiggling them softly. Roll your shoulders and gently stretch your arms overhead, reaching for the sky. Feel the energy moving through your body as you awaken to this new day. Allow yourself to feel refreshed and re-energized. You are waking up not just physically but spiritually. You are connected to the world around you and to the deeper wisdom within yourself. Closing reflection and gratitude. As we come to the end of this morning meditation, take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. Carry this sense of peace, clarity, and energy with you throughout the day. Remember, you have the power to create the day you desire. Approach each moment with mindfulness and gratitude, knowing that you are fully capable of handling whatever comes your way. Thank you for taking this time to awaken your spirit and set a positive tone for your day.